Hi, today I'm going to explain about digital signatures. Digital signature is a process that guarantees that the contents of a message have not been altered in transit. When you, the server, digitally sign a document, you add a one-way hash of the message content using your public and private key pair. In other words, digital signature is basically a way to ensure a document is authentic or not. Basically, a sender or a receiver should follow three steps to maintain the security of digital signature. The first one is the receiver can verify the claimed identity of the sender. Means, for example, if a check is given by the sender, a digital signature is needed to identify the sender, and the sender cannot later repudiate the contents of a message. For example, if the amount in the check is around $400, the sender cannot change the amount. In the same way, the receiver cannot change the money that was written in the check. So these are the three basic conditions that should be followed for the digital signatures. Next, the aim of the signature is to prove anyone that a message originated at a particular user. So to prove this will follow the symmetric key cryptography. The symmetric key cryptography is a type of encryption scheme in which the same key is used both to encrypt and decrypt messages. Such a method of encoding information has been largely used in the past decades to facilitate secret communication between governments and militaries. In this symmetric key cryptography, two users A and B shared a secret key K. The receiver of the message, let's say user A, can verify that message came from the other user B by using that secret key, whereas the user C cannot prove that the message came from B. It may also have came from A. So to avoid this confusion, public key cryptography is introduced. It can provide signature, and in this public key, only one user has the private key. So for signing a signature, first the message here is converted into signature by using the private key PR here. Now the user attaches the signature to the message. So once the signing is done, verification should be done at the receiver. So the sign is used with the public key to decrypt the message and to identify the signature. Then the user verifies the received message M with the decrypted M if identical signature is verified. But when a user wants to deal with large data sets like 5 gigabytes or 6 gigabytes, the procedure discussed above cannot be suitable. So the hashing comes into play. So in the hashing, user signs a message by encrypting hash of message. As you can see here, the hash of message by using their own private key. Then the user attaches signature to the message. Same as discussed above, the verification is done with the signature by using the public key. User then compares hash of received messages with the decrypted hash if identical signature is verified and the sender is approved. So this is the basic concept of digital signature.